Hello children, you are watching this video, and in this video I am going to show you very beautiful drawings. For these drawings you hold the page vertical, draw a rectangle, and now sketch it by black sketch pen, that rectangle. Start drawings. First draw one circle, then oval shapes for body, then draw tails. This is an Australian parrot, a beautiful colorful parrot. Now see, this is the first rough sketch by pencil. Show the details, beak and other part. Watch it properly and draw it step by step in your drawing notebook. See students, while drawings you have to draw it very lightly, as possible as you avoid the eraser, and show the details. See, step by step you have to draw branch. It is sitting on the branch. So like this, first step, then sketch it by black sketch pen. While sketch by black sketch pen, the line should be properly. See, sketch it, that branch, leaves, like this. Black sketch pen completed. Use 25 colors, oil pastel color. Now see here, different color. Yellow color, then blue color, green color. See here, first I have marked that colors. Now use brown color for coloring this part. Complete that brown color. That combinations of brown colors, here also this part you can watch in this video. Now deep yellow color, blue color, like this different color you can use. It's a very beautiful one parrot. Color it properly. Then dark brown color for this branch, light green color for leaves. You have to color properly that light green. See here, while coloring, mix it properly, that deep green color also in. Now for this beak, use a red color. Now show the details. Background, now you color that background. Use sky blue color for background here. Very lightly, don't give the pressures while coloring. Now here you can mix blue color, both blue colors here, medium blue colors and that light blue colors. You can see yellow ochre colors also you can mix in the background. Now this drawing completed. If you like these drawings, you can share and subscribe it. Thank you.